I'd like to introduce you to this guy, a workshop genius who's building himself a table saw extension that's going to help him with all his jobs. He's going to build an actual vacuum pipe section into the fence on his workshop table. You see the dusty mess being thrown up there? Well, once he gets this vac extension in, that'll be a thing of the past. The first thing to do, obviously, cut the wood, get the framing right for the plate where he'll mount this extension. And of course, that's going to mean going through the gauntlet of shop tools. If you decide to take this project on, please remember safety first. Mind those fingers, work in a well-ventilated area, wear a face shield, goggles, and maybe a mask. You can see now the slots where the piping, simple PVC piping, will run through and draw that sawdust and particulate away from your workpiece. Saving tons of time when it comes to cleanup and making the air around you a little bit easier to breathe. And who can argue with that? Time to make sure of the fit and drill a few guide holes to make sure we've secured this piping. We don't want to malfunction this late in the game. It looks like he's ready for a test. Now attached. And to that, we can attach a vacuum, and just look at that. It's not often you get to say that. This really sucks, and it's a good thing. No sawdust mess around here. Let us know what you think of that awesome DIY in the comments section, or feel free to give the video a like or a share as well.